Hey guys, Technomentor with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off or restart your iPhone 12 in a few different ways. So let's get started. Now, the simple and the easiest way to turn off your iPhone 12 is using either the volume or a volume down button and then the side button. You want to press and hold either the volume up or down button and the side button at the same time for about 3 to 5 seconds. Press it and holding at the same time will activate this menu to slide to power off, and you can slide to power off. Now, a second method involves by going into your setting of your iPhone and then going to general and then scrolling down until you see the shutdown option. And if you click on it, this will also activate the menu to slide to power off, and you just slide it over and it will turn off your iPhone. Now, a third method involves using Siri. If for some reason you don't have your buttons working or can't access the menu, you can activate Hey Siri if you have Hey Siri turned on, or click on the side button to turn on Siri, and simply just tell Siri power off. Yes. And then once you confirm, as you can see, the screen went completely black. Now, once this happened, you want to give it at least 15 to 20 seconds for the phone to completely turn off. And then to turn it back on, all you're going to do is hold that big side button until you see the Apple logo appear. So we just press and hold until we see that side button with the Apple logo appearing. Now, another method is using, of course, if you can't press the side button, is just connecting your iPhone to the charger, and it will also power it back on, because when the phone is shut down and it receives power, automatically tells it to turn back on. And that's how you turn off and restart your iPhone 12 in a few different ways. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. See you guys next time.